They look beautiful, innocent, peaceful. But some plants are not what they seem. They can poison your pets, destroy your soil, and take over your entire yard. Before you plant anything new this season, listen carefully, because one wrong choice can turn your garden into a disaster. Here are 10 plants you should never ever grow in your garden. Number 1. Japanese knotweed. It looks like bamboo, but it's not. This plant is a home's worst nightmare. Its roots can grow through concrete, brick, and even house foundations. Once it's in the soil, you can't dig it out easily. Cutting it makes it grow back faster. Even tiny root pieces can start new plants. Some homeowners have lost property value just because knotweed was found nearby. If you ever see this plant, don't try and handle it alone. Call professionals. This one's a serious invader. Number 2. Oleander. It's gorgeous. Bright pink and white flowers, green shiny leaves. But don't be fooled. Every part of oleander is deadly. Leaves, flowers, sap, even the smoke from burning it. A small bite can kill a pet, a child, or even an adult. Touching it and rubbing your eyes can cause serious irritation. Oleander is drought tolerant, yes, but it's not worth the risk. It's a toxic beauty that should stay far away from home gardens. Number 3. Mint. It smells amazing and tastes great, but in your garden, it's chaos. Mint spreads underground like wildfire. It takes over beds, crowds out flowers, and refuses to die. Even a small piece of root left behind can regrow. The only safe way to grow mint is in a pot, never directly in the ground. Unless you want a mint invasion you'll fight for years. Number 4. Water hyacinth. It looks beautiful floating in ponds. Bright, soft purple flowers and lush green leaves, but it multiplies faster than you can imagine. It forms thick mats on water, blocking sunlight and starving fish of oxygen. In some countries, it's banned because it destroys entire lakes and waterways. Once it spreads, it's nearly impossible to remove. If you want something pretty for your pond, choose native lilies instead. Skip this invader. Number 5. English ivy. The classic ivy wall looks romantic, until you see what it's doing underneath. English ivy suffocates trees, cracks walls, and traps moisture against wood and brick. It can ruin fences, siding, and even roofs. Worse, it hides pests like rats and snakes beneath its dense leaves. Once it's rooted, pulling it out feels endless. If you want that climbing look, try Virginia creeper instead. It's native, safe, and easy to manage. Number 6. Castor bean plant. This one looks exotic. Large tropical leaves, deep red stems. It's stunning, but it hides a deadly secret. Its seeds contain resin, one of the most poisonous substances on Earth. Just a few seeds can kill a human or a pet. Even handling it carelessly can be dangerous. People grow it for looks, not realizing the risk. If you have kids or animals anywhere nearby, do not plant this. It's beauty wrapped in danger. Number 7. Bamboo, the running kind. People plant bamboo for privacy. It grows fast, stays green, and looks amazing. But running bamboo doesn't stop. It spreads underground through rhizomes that can travel several feet every year. Soon it's in your lawn, under fences, even in your neighbor's yard. Removing it requires digging, barriers, and constant maintenance. If you love bamboo, go for the clumping type. It stays where you plant it. Otherwise, prepare for a lifelong battle. Number 8. Lily of the Valley. It looks gentle. Tiny white bells, sweet fragrance, a fairy tale flower. But this one is extremely poisonous. Every part contains toxins that can cause heart problems if eaten. Pets and small children are at serious risk. And it spreads underground, invading shaded beds quickly. Beautiful, yes, but far too dangerous for a family garden. Number 9. Wisteria. The Chinese and Japanese types are breathtaking. Long clusters of purple blooms that smell divine. But those vines? Ruthless. They twist around trees, fences, and gutters until they destroy them. Once mature, they send new shoots underground and climb anything nearby. You'll spend years trying to control it. If you want that same charm, plant native wisteria. It's tamer and just as lovely. Number 10. Poison hemlock. It looks innocent. Soft white flowers, feathery leaves. But this is one of the deadliest plants in the world. It's the same plant that killed the philosopher Socrates. Even brushing against it can irritate your skin. Eating it, even accidentally, can be fatal. It often grows along roadsides and fields and can sneak into gardens unnoticed. If you spot it, wear gloves, dig it out carefully, and dispose of it safely. Never let it spread. Your garden should be a place of peace, a space for life, not danger. These plants might look beautiful, but they can bring more harm than good. Some kill, some invade, some never go away. Before you plant anything new, always do your research, because one careless choice can turn a sanctuary into a struggle. If this video helped you avoid a gardening disaster, tap that like button. Subscribe for smarter, safer garden tips. And share this with someone who's about to start planting, because the best gardens aren't just beautiful, they're balanced.